Question number 2. The given relation is P is equal to A cube B square by CD. So, percentage errors given and required one is percentage error in P. Just apply direct concept here. All you know the procedure, dP by dP can be written as 3 delta A by A plus two delta B by B plus delta C by C plus delta D by D. So required one is percentage, the given also percentage errors. So into 100 both sides. So 3 delta A by A into 100, that is percentage error in A. Now this delta A by A into 100 given as 1, 3 into 1 plus 2 into percentage error in B, that is delta B by B into 100 given as 2 plus delta C by C into 100 given as 3 and delta D by D into 100 given as 4. So therefore 3 plus 4 plus 3 plus 4. So this gives the 14%, right? So this is solution for question number 2. Now move to question number 3. Question number 3 also same one. The procedure is same. So first write what are the given values according to question. This is question number 3. So first I am writing given values, that is percentage error in length given, that is delta L by L into 100 given as 2, and percentage error given in mass, that is delta M by M into 100, that is given as 3. Now we have to calculate percentage error in density. Density rho is equal to M by V. V for volume, volume of cube, M as it is volume of cube can be written as L cube, right? So same procedure, delta rho by rho is equal to, you can write delta M by M plus 3 into delta L by L, right? To get percentage, divide by 100 into 100, that gives percentage, right? So now substitute given value. So simply given delta M by M, that is 3 plus 3 into delta L by L into 100 given as 2. So therefore this is 3 plus 6. So our final answer is 9%, right? Okay. Now move to fourth question. The question number 4 now. Solution for fourth question, directly torque. The dimension formula for torque, so that is nothing but force into distance. Torque is equal to force into distance. Just read the dimension, units and dimension table already I have given. Just practice that perfectly, we get answer. The force dimension formula is all you know, MLT minus 2, distance represented by L, therefore answer is ML square T minus 2, right? So first option is answer here, answer A. Now the question number 5, fifth question. Fifth one, dimensional formula for B square by 2 mu naught. So B given as magnetic field, mu naught given as permeability of vacuum or free space. Here B is equal to the magnetic field is equal to force by current into length. Right? So magnetic field B is equal to force by current into length. Now B is equal to ML force, ML T minus 2. Current is represented by A, right? And length represented by L. Here L gets cancelled. So dimension formula for magnetic field B can be written as M T square A minus 1. Right? This is the dimension formula for B. Now, what is dimension formula for mu naught? So mu naught, so magnetic permeability of free space, this is 2 pi into force into distance by current into length. This is the formula. So here you can write 2 pi into, so 2 pi is constant for dimensional analysis, dimensionless quantity, that is constant, no need to write here. So again force, that is ml t square into distance is L, by current into current you can write A square, and length can be written as L. 1L gets cancelled, right? Now dimensional formula for mu naught is nothing but what? M L T square A square, right? So this A under denominator, therefore you can write A power minus 2. ML T force ML T minus 2, right? Yes, force is ML T minus 2. MLT minus 2, MLT minus 2 here. Just apply formula, very simple questions, direct formula application, no logic is there, right? Now this is MLT minus 2, A minus 2. Clear? For here also M T minus 2, A minus 1, right? Now simply substitute all these there, you get answer. So this question directly from table. I think this is mains question. Given in mains, B is M A minus 1 T minus 2 whole square by mu naught. So mu naught, here dimension formula given, so 2 is negligible here, write mu naught as M L T minus 2 A minus 2, right? So if we expand numerator, whole square can be written as M square A minus 2 T minus 4 by M L T minus 2 A minus 2. The remaining part gives you answer. The simple question, direct formula application, nothing is there. Just read formula. Okay. So almost direct question. This is also A minus 2 gets cancelled. So finally M square by M gives you M. So under denominator you have L, you can write L minus 1. This is T minus 4, T minus 2, therefore you get T minus 2, minus 4 plus 2 you get, yes, A gets cancelled. So this is your answer, M L minus 1 T minus 2. Clear? Right.